Custom gas cap, could be universal, designed for 70 Camaro. Like I said, it is universal. It's got a gas charged strut, all CNC machined. I will include specs later. Vent port there. Beautifully custom made, all aluminum or stainless except for the body here. This is all carbon steel. It does come with a trim ring to mate in the quarter panel or wherever you decide to put it. So this is in action. Check that out. Tell me that's not sweet. Alright, this here doesn't show the seal or anything. There's rubber seal that goes here. This is spring loaded. Hopefully you can see that. So that does seal against the flange here. So the little cam device goes on here. It's all gas charged, baby. See, you can buy this anywhere else, huh? Alright, let me know if you got any questions about the listing.